Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Windows Bootable USB right here on Ubuntu 24.04. No Windows PC needed, no virtual machines, nothing complicated. We're using two tools. Whether you want a clean Windows install, a repair USB, or you're dual booting, I've got you covered. Let's get started. Start by updating your system. We're using two tools, WoeUSB and Ventoy. Will we start with WoeUSB? It is simple, direct, and works great with Windows ISOs. This command adds a PPA personal package archive to your Ubuntu system. It adds a software source maintained by the user tomtomtom on Launchpad. The repo contains updated builds of WoeUSB. Now run this command to install WoeUSB. All right, before we actually create the Windows Bootable USB, the first thing you need to do is connect your USB drive and format it. On Ubuntu, you can do this using the Disks app or gparted, YNTFS, because Windows ISOS, and especially Windows 10 and 11, have files that are too large for FAT32. NTFS handles large files and it's fully compatible with tools like WoeUSB. Once formatting is done, you're ready to use WoeUSB or Ventoy to turn that USB into a Windows installer. Here's how simple it is. Select your Windows ISO under Target, choose your USB drive, choose Installation Mode, NTFS, Recommended, and click Install WoeUSB will wipe the USB and create a fully bootable Windows installer. This is the most straightforward method. If you just need a clean Windows install, WoeUSB alone is perfect. And that is it. Your Windows Bootable USB is ready. Now let's move to something more powerful, Ventoy. Ventoy is amazing because you install it once on your USB, and after that, you can just drag and drop ISO files into it. Go to the official site and download the Linux file. Open your terminal and go to the Downloads folder. Now extract the file you just downloaded. Change directory to the extracted file. To execute the script, use the following command. By default, it is enabled to work with Secure Boot, which is why a lock symbol appears next to the version name. You can disable Secure Boot if you want, but it is recommended to leave it on. Select your USB and click Install. That's it. You're done. When you boot from that USB, Ventoy shows a menu where you can choose the Windows ISO. You can even keep Linux ISOs, recovery tools, antivirus tools, all on the same USB, super flexible. First, you have to copy the ISOs to your USB and then boot from it. If you want simplicity and a guaranteed Windows installer, use WoeUSB. If you want a multi-boot, multi-ISO USB toolbox, or you test a lot of distros, then Ventoy is the king. And that's it. You now know 2 easy ways to create a Windows bootable USB using Ubuntu 24.04. If this video helped you, hit that like button. It really boosts the channel. Subscribe if you love these Linux and Windows crossover tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.